Okay, this is my second video and I won't be making that much videos because because my SD card doesn't use videos. It only takes everything else, and I won't be making that much videos. But in this video, we're gonna be making slime. So, is all that, or not slime? It's just gonna be a mushy thing. Is all you'll need is this baby shampoo or something, baby shampoo and toothpaste. First you have to get the toothpaste, and then the toothpaste you pour it down onto the plate. You can get a plate if you want. I don't know what you can do. You just get a little bit of toothpaste. That'll give it the mush. That'll make it a little bit mushy. And then you have to give it the baby shampoo. And then give it a little squeeze of that. And then what you'll need to do next is get one of these, get a spoon. Get a spoon to mix it. It smells like shampoo, but then you have to pick up a piece of it, and then it's like slime. You just have to make a whole lot of it and make it mushy and make it into a big piece. I don't know how to do that. Sometime I'll do that. Yeah, my videos are gonna be little, but that was all for today. Remember to leave a like down below and comment. So, bye!